Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Cooking with anxiety, cooking with Nelly with all this belly. So today guys, I'm gonna make some lamb chops with just a sweet potato, one yam, one big large yam. Damn. And a red pepper. And this is my lamb chops right here. Just got 5 of them. Shout out to BJ's. Yes, I'm gonna make some lamb chops for you guys right quick. I washed them off. I washed my hands. This is a quick tutorial. This food is going in my belly, so I don't want you guys thinking I ain't washing my hands, because I did. And I washed my meat off, my vegetables off. That's most important. How was your day today? I did go to the doctor. I'm always at the doctor for my anxiety. Because if I look on TV and I can hear something about something or whatever, like, it's hard for me to watch TV or just to have a conversation on the phone about something, because if I hear something about somebody dying or got something wrong with them, I'm thinking I got the same thing, or I got a lump. Something, I'll just be thinking the worst when I hear something. It's just, when I tell you, anxiety is no joke. And speaking of my stomach, anxiety do cause a lot of upset issues, having you bloated, miserable, can't eat nothing. So it's important that you do talk to someone about managing stress, because you don't want to be walking around here looking like me. Okay? So I know I gained weight a lot. I know my stomach got bigger than what it was. And it's okay. It's okay, because I'm trying to lose weight and stop stressing. The main thing I'm trying to do is stop stressing, then lose weight. Because I feel like if I stop stressing, I can lose weight. Once again, I'm putting these big ass lamb chops inside the pot. Stands up right quick. Once again, I got my stool for cooking. Like I said on my last channel, I use my stool due to my back injury. And not that I'm lazy, I just want to cook. Okay? I just want to cook. Yeah, so how do you guys season your lamb chops? This is Mrs. Dash, not too much. And I will chop an onion up. I want to play music for you guys, but I don't want to get copyright. So I'm gonna try to add some music to this video. I'm chopping up an onion. Big pieces. It's still gonna taste the same, whether it's big or small, unless it's potato salad or something like that. But when it comes to meats, just chop it up. It's nothing but flavor. I'm gonna show you in one moment how that's looking. So that's on the stove right now, cooking. Once again, let me show you that. Trying to show you guys this food. Okay. Sorry, I'm new to this, not true to this. The next video may be true to this and not new to this. So just be patient with me, okay? Just be patient. Just be patient. Congratulations. Just be patient. So I'm going to do something different, guys. I'm going to cut up a sweet potato. I was going to put it inside the oven, but I changed my mind. I don't got time for the oven. So we're going to cut these inside the lamb chops. Leave the skin on. I did wash this off already for nutrition value. Ooh, these stuff is hard. Jesus. I want y'all to see my face cutting this big yam up. I like the light on me. You do too? I'm gonna cut some big yams up. Everything is big. My stomach big, so the yam's gonna be big. I like to have sense of humor when it comes to things. Am I happy with my weight gain? No. If I'm trying to do something about it, yes, I am. Like, things have changed dramatically with me. Like, I can't express my back injury enough because we use our back, our legs for everything. Cooking. I didn't know how important it was. Let me rephrase that. I didn't know how big let me put this like down. I didn't know how big our legs play a part in everything. I did not know that until this happened to me. So when I was trying to cook and stand, I was like, wait, let me go back to the doctor who I'm scared of and ask them what's wrong with these legs. Because I'm used to switching and moving my arm real quick when I walk. I don't do that no more. Anybody that knows me, I like walking, getting out the house, doing things, working. But like I said, things really had to take a toll. Excuse me, guys. Let me change this around. You see these yams, nice and big. And I'm going to just saute this right quick. I don't know why I got this big knife. But I'm going to saute that right quick. Lamb chops. Health is wealth, guys. So like, health is wealth. Health is wealth. Let's say it together. Health is wealth. Because if you don't take care of your health, your mental, like anything you do is no good. I don't care how much money you got, you are no good if you don't take care of your health. That goes for all of us, women, men. Like, this is no joke. And I say for women, I don't want to get into topics about women and men, but I say for a woman, me being a single parent, you really have to see, I think we all should see a therapist as just people. And then, not imagine if you don't have that support. So, I think a lot of my anxiety come in place from me losing both of my parents at a young age. I lost my mom at 18 and my dad at 20. So, at 18, I lost my mom. I got pregnant with my oldest son. Then I lost my dad. Then I got pregnant with my youngest son. So, me grieving, trying to be a single parent, cooking, working, providing, that took a toll on my mental and my stress as well. And just living life, being young, you know, living life. So, I think trauma plays a lot in health issues too. Trauma, stress, bills. Can you pay my bills? Can you pay my telephone bill? Wells. Hey. Okay, let's get back to these yams. I'm sauteing these lamb chops. Let me show you how they look again. They still red. So this pot cooks pretty fast, guys. So put these yams in here. And I did wash this red pepper off too as well. I'm trying to see the camera so I can see you guys too. Gonna cut this on, it's red pepper in here. I usually put my seasonings some more at the end, towards the end. Put a little bit while it's cooking, but I think when you season your food closer to the end, it comes out perfect. Usually I put celery seed in everything as well too, but I don't have none, so well, I do have celery seed. I have it in this one. Put some celery seeds. Put that in here. Put a bit of herbal. Oh, some more butter. Some more butter. Use some water right quick. And some water. I must say, guys, the pot that I use is a cast iron pot right here, but it's covered with how you say it? Emmanuel? Excuse me. I know I'm supposed to know the names of the stuff I'm saying, but I don't. If that's a crime, is it a crime? It cooks my food so fast. That's why I like cooking in these pots. But this is how it looks so far. I call this sweet potato lamb chops. I use a lot of sweet potatoes and a lot of sweet potatoes. I'm trying to show you guys by camera, so. Oh, sorry. Caught. Okay, you're right. Messing up, Nelly. I'm trying to show you guys my food. This how it looks. That's how it looks right there. Sweet potato lamb chops. Thank you. I will be back with another edition of Nelly's Food.